everybody, it's Katrina.
It's the Crafty Corner.
Hi everybody, welcome to the Crafty Corner. So I'm bringing you another men's concept for Father's Day. And this is the lantern concept. So I'm just going to show you what I did with this lantern. Alright, so with this lantern, first thing I did was I put the eucalyptus mint candle in there for the men. Alright, and it smells really good, but it is definitely a candle that's versatile that we can use for the men. I use the men's Dove Cream. And we have the man's skull cap here. Comes two to a pack. Pair of socks. And those trusty earbuds, y'all. I'm going to get rid of those earbuds. Alright, so that is what is in this gift concept. And I think this has turned out really cute. I have some more lanterns that I'm going to use for Father's Day. This is one of them. I have two of these. So I'll be working on those concepts today as well. Because they're so short, I'm having to find short things to put in those decanters. But I think that for those, or lanterns, I guess you would call it. For those, I'm looking at using the watches. At least 2 watch sets for those ideas. And these are the smart watches. But that is what this concept looks like. Alright, y'all, so it is bagged and bowed. And I used the small bows for this gift. And this is what it looks like. I used shrink wrap for it. Alright, and this gift is very cute. The bow is not too manly. I don't do big fancy bows for men's gifts. I do try to use things that are cute and look nice on the gift, but not too feminine. And just remember that these are women, most of them, that are buying gifts for these men. Alright, so sometimes they do look at the bow. But we don't have to get too elaborate for the men's gifts, simply because they are gifts for the men. Alright, so that's what this gift is looking like. Alright, so thank you all for watching. You all be blessed. But most importantly, be a blessing. Hi everybody, it's Katrina.
It's the Crafty Corner crafting with Katrina. We got crafty.